Hi there, in this tutorial you will learn how to edit your web pages on your website whilst actually viewing the website. So all you need to do is to go to Site Editor, and then click on the Start Editing tab. And as you can see, you've got a page editor up the top here with a link going back to the admin console, and then we can click back to the site editor. Please note that the site editor currently only works in Safari on a Mac or in Internet Explorer on a PC. You can toggle this box to don't show the dialog again, or you can view a tutorial on how to use it. That's a Business Catalyst tutorial. And what we're going to do is go Start Editing. So what we now see is the web page as it is, and as we hover over the site, all of the links still work. And when we actually come across an area that we can edit, it has like a little dashed line around the outside of the content. So on this page, actually all we could edit would be these three boxes. Now, if we click on this image, we can actually change the image by going up here to the Image Manager. Or, if we don't actually want to edit that image, but we want to follow the link, we can click on the Follow Link button here. And that will take us through to the page that we want to go to. In my example here, what I'm wanting to do is to go to the About Us section and go back to the About Us page. So here we are, we can see in here that we've got a nice dashed line around the outside, and we're able to edit any of this content. If you want to change the text, say we wanted to delete a word of text that was in the wrong spot, make sure that the T is highlighted here, and then all we need to do is simply click Delete. We can also make a word bold, we can make it italic, or we can underline the word. For now we're going to leave it as italic. We can also add a style, and these styles would have been pre-made by your web developer. We can change the font. We can change the font size. We can align it to the left, center, right, or justify. We can add a bulleted list, a numbered list, or we can indent or outdent on the page. We can also format the paragraph. So, for example, if we wanted to, we could create a new paragraph, put your cursor on this line here, and what we're going to do is change it to a header 3 tag, and we're going to change this one here to a header 1 tag. And when we're finished with the editing, we just click Save and Publish. If we want to add an image to the site, we just choose Image Editor. Then what we want to do is to choose where the image is held, and we can choose for an image on the internet, on your computer, or actually already on your site. So if you've already preloaded the image on the site, you can choose it from here, which is what we're going to do now. And what we're going to do is choose the image from the folder, and click Insert. Now that we have the image, we can choose to change the size of the image by unlocking the image proportions. That way we could change the size of the image to a smaller image if we required. And by choosing more options, we can actually add a tooltip to the image. We can change the alignment, and in this case I'm going to move it to the right. We can add some horizontal space to the image and some vertical space to the image, and we can even put a border around the image. To add a hyperlink to the page, we just simply click this hyperlink button, and we can choose the word that we want to make the hyperlink from. Then choose where we want to link to, and it could be an external web page, to a document that's held on the site, to a page on your site, or if we wanted people to click on that link and email us, choose the email address. What we're going to do is to choose Page in My Site, and we're going to link this to a web page, to the contact page, and then we just simply click Insert, and we now have a link. Once again, when you're finished making the changes to the page, just simply click Save and Publish, and that is done. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.